Way up on the hill where I found that set. Still working this thick, pretty thick stuff. Old chunk. Still pretty solid for the piece that it is. Starting backpack. Just standing here for a second looking around, and got this piece right there. Is either the rest of it or nope, it's a different one. That's pretty neat. Wasn't expecting that. I guess I had a real weird base there. Check that out. Guess you always gotta look around good, right? Just snooping around where I found that. Right there's where I found that piece in that other old one. Just started to walk away, and right up through there under that fallen log, the sun is just in the perfect position to hit brow tine on. Definitely brown. Either looks kind of interesting or it's really chewed up already. Suppose either is possible. That looks like just a pretty cool antler. Sweet. That's a cool one. Man, I wouldn't have seen that if it wasn't just, like I said, for the sun shining on that brow tine there. Not quite as cool or really as big as I thought it was from down there through the binoculars, but we'll definitely add it to the pile.